In our book, we've identified a model to help us do this. And we've identified a five-process model with cornerstones, 5 cornerstones, which are not sequential cornerstones, but they're incredibly important in challenging coaching, entering the high support, high challenge area and entering the zone of uncomfortable debate skillfully and consistently. And we've described this as the FACTS model. So this stands for feedback, accountability, courageous goals, tension, and systems thinking. So briefly to take you through that. Feedback is how does the coach provide challenging feedback that inspires, but also provides a balance between honest feedback that looks at mistakes and area of development as well. So it's very open, it's very honest. Accountability. How does the coach hold the coachee accountable for actions that he or she has agreed to undertake? But more than that, how does the coach hold the coachee accountable for the values, the ethos, the ethics of the organisation as a whole? So lifting accountability from the individual level to the organisational level. And you could take that to a community level and a society level as well. Then we look at courageous goals. Now, you're probably familiar with SMART goals, which are very rational, very logical, but sometimes are not very stimulating. So as coaches, how do we move people beyond SMART into courageous goals that are inspirational, that are scary, that are challenging, but are really inspirational and motivating? Tension. Tension can be constructive to help people achieve their peak performance. So how does a coach calibrate the tension within the room and help their coachee reach that optimum level of performance by appropriate use of tension in the room? And also systems thinking. How does the coach maintain the big picture issues within the organisation? What are those subjects that are so important in terms of diversity, sustainability, bottom line impact of the organisation of a whole? So it's moving away from me, as John said, to we.